Trading meme coin is getting harder by the day. 90% of Gibchain traders are still back in trenches. And this is fact. It's like you playing a poker with insiders. It's either you are handling your money to devs, KOLs, influencers, or insiders who always know more than you. Except you are in this category, then you are making money. But let's be real, you're not losing money because you're unlucky. No, you're losing money because of you lack a tool that will give you these three things. One, a tool that will help you to track dev's wallet, to know when it has sold and when it's still buying and when it's still holding, if it's going to do marketing. Two, to know a buying pressure of that coin and to track wallets that are holding the biggest. And then three, to know when a coin is bundled by a certain people and decide to push it to dump on people. Because it does like you flying blind while they are cashing out. But everything changed when I discovered Axiom. And recently, I used it to pull 10x trade in just 1 week. And here is my results. So no gatekeeping. In this video, I'm going to break it all down. But before we start, what is Axiom? Axiom is fully known as Axiom Trade. It is a decentralized, non-custodial crypto trading platform, but this time is built specifically on a particular chain, Solana. It's built to optimize high-speed trading, sniping, and token migration. So just think of it like a command center where you have real on-chain advantage in one place. It was launched in early 2005 and backed by Y Combinators. Now, talking about Y Combinators, Axiom also have a point, and Solana, they reward you for using their platform. Now, if it's backed by Y Combinators, it then means that they have raised funds, and those points can be converted for airdrop. So using Axiom gets you qualified for their airdrop. And if you use Jupiter during their time 2022 to 2023, you realize that people made over $20,000 for using the platform to trade, depending on your volume, your points. In fact, I'm going to show you the crests. So if you are ready, stay plugged in, get yourself charged, because what I'm about to show you might be the edge you have been missing in crypto and trading meme coin. Let's dive in. Okay, to get started, you need to use the link in the description to sign up. That should be the right link. Do not go fetch the link anywhere to avoid your wallet getting hacked. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using a laptop. Laptop is more convenient and more efficient to trade with Axiom. However, if you're using mobile application, you're not going to be seeing trackers and there are some features you might be missing. But if you're using a laptop or a desktop, it's more easier and more convenient for you. So let's get started. Axiom has a lot of features and is something we cannot explore in one video. Now, let's get down. Up here, you're going to see Axiom Pro. Here is Discover. Here is Pause. Here is Trackers. Now, Pause is just a section where you're going to see current coins that are just trending at the moment or just get listed but have not actually entered any DEX. Then Tracker here is where you put wallet that you want to track and see how they are performing. You can copy trade them as well. Perpetuals is just like you trading long or short. If you can short a market just like the way you trade on Bybit, long and short, you can also do the same on Axiom. Yield farming is that you don't know how to trade, you just want to drop your USDT or you want to drop your Solana and earn yearly. You can use the yield side. Portfolio is for you to see your entire balance on this platform. And the reward session is the one I'm going to open right now. Now, this is the reward session. Are you seeing 18,000 points? Yeah, 18,000 points is like $18 million, right? By the way, this is just a point that will be converted during their airdrop. And if by chance the airdrop hits $1, it means I've gotten $18,000. And my target here is to make sure that I hit at least 300,000 points before Axiom launches their token. If you traded with Jupiter, you should be able to know that people made crazy money. Of course, I did. And then here is some Solana that I earned. So for the fees that you've been spending trading on Axiom, you're also getting some points. And those points is now earned in Solana. So currently I have 0.04 Solana and I have available one to claim. So I can just click here and I'll claim it. So you can see, so reward claimed successfully to Axiom wallet. So I've claimed some. And then here are the quests to meet up to this point. Here, refer 3 more people and I'm going to earn 1,500. So I've referred 3 more people and I've earned 1,500. Here, trade 50 more souls in volume, which I just started. You can see it's just ticking. And then here is make 50 more transactions. And I'm almost done. This is like approximately 80 to 85% of that transactions. And once I'm done, I'll be rewarded with 1,000 points again. And the more I trade and stay active here, I'll also be accumulating my points. The more I refer people, I'm also be accumulating my points. So always use your own link to refer people that want to use Axiom Trade. That will also boost your points. Now, let's go straight to the trading part. If you want to trade on Axiom, you have two ways to go. One is choosing a coin that is here, or choosing a coin that is available here on Trending, on Surge, Desk Screener, or Pump Live. Then you have to analyze the coin properly before you trade. And there are a whole lot of things you should look out for. Like if I'm coming to buy a coin, I'm not going to buy this coin currently because it don't have socials. Now, if you look at this Delulu, it has socials. It has Twitter. It has websites. So this can also boost it. And look at it, it's doing 1.36 million market cap. Anyways, I'll be making subsequent video explaining in details on how to track, analyze coin before you buy them. And the second option to buy here is this search button here. Now, when you click here, you paste a contract address. Let's take, for instance, you are in my Telegram channel. This Telegram, we do shield coins and give signals. If you're in this channel, you can as well join by using the link in the description. And this is a coin we gave. You can copy this coin, this contract address, come down to this place and paste it. If not, you can choose other ones. Now, this is available, the last one that I checked. So I click here. Yes, now here is it. It's a 6K market cap. You can as well copy and paste it here. It's going to bring it out for you. Now, one thing I want you to pay attention to is when you paste contract address, please look for the one that has the highest liquidity. Open it. Now, once you open it, you're going to see full history of that coin, when they've bought and when they've sold. All right, let me just zoom so you can see everything. Now you can see they've sold $1,000 at 19K market cap. They've sold $974 at 18K market cap. They've sold again. Now you can see this is a wallet that I'm tracking. They bought, sold. So these are the wallet I'm tracking. Why DB here means they've bought at 6K market cap. So you see that they've bought with a total of $1,306K. That is $1,360 and then sold $3,000. And it's remaining nothing, absolutely nothing. And he made 177%. So when you notice that dev have sold everything, it means that the dev is not ready to push this coin. It's going to be CTO, that is community takeover. There are people that can actually come to push the coin, but right now the dev is gone. So meaning that the dev never meant well for this project. So when you see such projects, avoid them. They are not healthy for you. But if you see the ones that are doing well, let's go to Desk Screener and look for a coin. Come here, go to Desk Screener. Let's look for a coin and see. Now, I think I saw this coin at 10 million market cap. Let me open it. It's currently at 19 million market cap. So let's copy the contract address here and come back to Axiom, paste it. Now, see the one you're going to use here. This one, you see 537K liquidity. I click on it. All right, now here's the performance of this coin so far. Now looking at this chart is not giving you any sign that they have sold or bought. Now, two things happens here. Before the coin hit bonding curve, you're not going to see anything like they've bought here. But currently, the dev hasn't sold, and that is why it's so clean this way. You can as well use bubble map here to Desk Screener to go and check top holders, KOLs that are talking about the coin and see if they have sold or. Now you can see that a KOL here bought with $1,800, sold $2,000 and made this and left some. This is to say they are still in their projects. So this is how to also analyze project before you buy them. So this is what you should always pay attention to. So the next one is how to trade using Axiom. Say you funded your wallet and you want to buy this coin right now. Now we have buy section and we have sell section. Buy here means that you want to buy this coin, and sell means you want to sell either a profit or at loss. So now let's click on buy. We have market order, we have limit order, and we have the advanced order. A market order is that order that triggers at the exact or immediate price as at the time you click to buy. And then limit order is the order that gives you the option to choose a particular price range to buy. Now, let's take, for instance, that this coin, I want to buy it when it gets to 17 million market cap. I can do that and then set the price I want to. I want to buy with 2 Solana or 1 Solana, probably 1 Solana. And once the price hits here, once I click on buy, it's going to automatically press or buys for me. I have option to choose different price range I have set for myself. Like click here now, I can choose that I want to also set here 0.3. So what it's going to do is to help to fasten my transactions buying or selling for me. Once I click 0.3, it enters here. And if I click buy, you're going to see this buy is going to set for me instantly. Now here is my buy set. Once it gets there, it's going to trigger for me. You're going to see the price at which you bought. You see the total amount you bought, total amount you sold, holding, and the P&L. P&L simply means your profit and loss. Now, there's this advanced setting that I did here. You see that TP and you see XL. TP means take profit, and XL means stop loss. So I stated here that once this coin does, any coin that I purchases does 100%, it should sell 80% of my money. And when you go below 30%, it should sell 100% off my money. With this now, you can see that most of the issues we have in trading meme coin on DEXs are now solved, meaning that I can always protect some part of my money to buy more or buy more opportunities instead of just aping all. So you say I enter with 1 Solana, I don't want to lose more than 30%. You can as well do, you don't want to lose 20%. But the reason why I'm doing 30% because market slashing is very easy. So 30% is a good deal for meme coin anyways. So that is it. If you don't want to, you can just cancel it from here. But once this market triggers, it's going to show immediately. So let me use market order to buy to show you. So let's say I want to buy with 0.1 and I triggers, just watch, and I want to sell at 5%. You should sell everything for me. Let's put it that way. Put 100%. And then I buy. It's going to buy. It has entered for me. You can see I bought to 0.1, so I've not sold anyone. And here is my available balance because I'm currently at loss. Now, let me show you another part. We have presets. We have preset 2 and we have preset 3. Now, preset 1 is where you set your spillage. All right. Now, I set this one to be 10%. I set this one to be 20 and I set this one to 30. So in case I'm seeing a particular coin that the sell pressure is too much and people are selling and dumping at the same time, what I need to do is to use preset 3 or 2 to do that immediately. So it's just going to inquire more fee, but it's going to trigger faster than every other person that is in the queue. So that is one thing Axiom has helped us to achieve. So if you know how to trade with this particular platform, trust me, you are higher chance making profit than other people who are just gambling on other DEXs. This video is taking too long, so I have to end it here to give you the last one. And the last one is the strategy that I've been using to make good profits trading on Axiom. And if you want to catch that video, all you need to do is to hit the subscription button and hit that notification button so that the next time I drop my video, you'll be notified and you're going to get the strategy video on time. See you in my next video. I'm out.